Hi students, today you will learn how to make your first mobile app on code.org in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. This is the code.org platform. Here you have to click on create and then app lab. Once the app lab is loaded, you have to first of all rename your project. Today we are going to make our first app, that is calculator app. So we will write here calculator app and click on save button. Moving ahead, this is the code section of code.org. This is the design section and here is the data section. In the design section, we will design our mobile app. So this is the screen which resembles your mobile phone. So here from the toolbox, we will drag and drop one by one each and every design component on our mobile screen. Before that, let me tell you, these are the properties of each and every design component. Let's say I click on button. So these are the properties of the button design component. I can name it button. So ID is the name of my button, right? We can also change the color from here. Background color of the button can be changed from here. You can make it like slightly blue, right? And if you want to change the background color, so it can be done from here. We can make the background look black. So these are the different themes present over there on code.org. Now here is the button. We have to write here add, because we are going to develop our calculator app. So this is one most important functionality needed. Now we need input from the user. So we will make two text inputs here, text input 1 and text input 2. So the name of this is text input 1 and the name of this is text input 2. Correct. Now one more thing we need is a label over here. On this label, we will write my calculator app, right? And we will make its orientation correct by dragging and dropping it at the correct position. We can do it manually from the properties section also. Here you can see there is position, X position and Y position. So we can change the position from here also. And let's try to change the color of the text to maybe white. Yeah, that looks good, or it may match the button's color also. So the button color is this. Here goes the color of your text. Perfect. So we are done with the design part. Now come to the coding part. These are the code blocks which will help us in writing the code, right? So first thing we need here is on event code block. We want when the button add is clicked, then the two numbers on the text inputs 1 and 2, they both should get added and the result should be shown here on this button, right? The name of my button is only button. So here we will write button only. So when the button is clicked, then some function should occur. Now what that function is, we want to set a number on this button add. So do you see a set number code block? Here it is. So drag and drop on the workspace. Now we have to set a number on the button. So here we choose button. Now what do we want? We want sum of two numbers that the user will enter at text input 1 and text input 2. So we will go in the math toolbox and we will pick the plus code block, right? Then come back to UI controls, and now what do we want? We want to get the number which the user will enter here and here, right? Drag and drop get number here, and we want text input 1 and we want text input 2. So we are done. When the button is clicked, then some function will occur. That function is, we will set a number on the button, that is here on the button, and that number will be sum, that is addition of text input 1 and text input 2, right? So now we are done with the code, with the design part, with the code part. Now let's run the app and check. So let's say I enter 5 and here also I enter 2. So 5 plus 2, here is the result. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the output is correct. So you are done. This is how you design your first calculator app. Now let me tell you, there are a lot of ways in which this skill of app development can be used. From developing your own game app, shopping app, chatting app, a music app, to a lot of different ideas. Like it can be used for solving various global issues, various practical issues. So the coding experts at Junior Robo are really very much good in coding and app development. So if you have any doubt, put in comment section and try this app. If there is any obstacle, we will try to solve your query. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.